So what is drafting and design? Well, almost everything around you, whether it's the chair you're sitting in, the building that you're in, the car that you drive, your cell phone, everything has been designed and drafted by somebody. And that's basically what we do here. We take an idea and we turn it into a design and a set of plans so somebody can actually go through and build that. Here's some examples of different projects that students have worked on. So the first year of the program, students get the opportunity to design a dream house. There was a house, and this is the garage that goes along with it. We also do kitchen design. And you can see a lot of these designs are in 3D, so we spend a lot of time working on these 3D drawings. We also do the construction drawings as well. And this is a project that students were asked to come up with a new energy can design, and this is what they came up with. So the class is an opportunity for you to design something that's very unique and very creative. We also do plans like this. And this is a set of plans for an apartment complex, and this is going to make students very highly sought after by architectural and engineering firms because they can do things like this and they can bring this to the architectural firms. This is an example of a project that a student did for the Clearfield Fairgrounds. It's the free stage at the fairgrounds. So students typically have the opportunity to design something that's actually going to get built. Pretty cool to be able to say that you designed a building in high school that actually got built. All the software that we use in the program, it's actually yours to get for free. It's literally over $100,000 worth of software, and you get all the updates, you get to all the tutorials, everything is yours to keep forever. Basically, if you're thinking about going on to college for some sort of design, engineering, architecture, or drafting, this is really the place that you need to start. You also learn the skills that you need to go out and get a job straight out of this class as well. And, you could get a job as an entry-level drafter as a successful student of the program. And one of the great things about this school is you finally get to learn about the things that you want to learn about, not just what somebody's been telling you that you need to learn. Just a little bit about myself. I don't just have a teaching degree, I also have an engineering degree from Penn State. I have several years of work experience in the fields of architecture and engineering. I've designed and drafted a wide variety of things, including hospitals, prisons, houses, schools, all sorts of different things. And the reason I tell you this is because this is the kind of stuff that I want to bring to the class. So whenever you're working on projects here, you're going to be learning about things that are real world things. So it's as closely related to the real job experience as possible. And one of the other great things about the class is you finally get to you get to try out a career without anything to lose. So if it's something that's interesting to you, you can sign up, give it a shot. If you like it, great. You got a great head start. If you don't like it, you haven't lost anything. Like I said before, we also do advanced placement credits for college. Do up to 25 dual enrollment college credits. We go on a lot of field trips. We do a restaurant tour for the second year students, designing restaurants. We go to Fallingwater, go to Pittsburgh and do a tour of the city. We try to do a lot of fun things in the class as unique learning experiences. We also have things like drafting competitions that you can do. All kinds of different opportunities, go to states and nationals. And the real bottom line is successful graduates get jobs. Here's just a few examples of students and the jobs that they've got. But if you want this to be you, you really have the opportunity to be successful out of this program. This is a short video clip of basically a condensed version. I took about 20 minutes to just show you an example of a building that I could design in 20 minutes time, and I basically condensed it down to about a minute just to give you an example of what you can do with the software that we're using very quickly and very easily. This software is actually the Autodesk Revit software, which is primarily a 3D software program that you're designing everything in 3D, but it's also doing it in 2D at the same time. So it's unique that you can see what you're designing, but you can also use it for a set of blueprints, so you can actually use it for construction purposes. And it's pretty easy to catch on to. You can do a lot of things very quickly, and it's going to make you, if you understand this program, it's going to make you very valuable to a lot of architectural and engineering firms. And that's the building I designed in 20 minutes time.